Hello students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry lesson 12 carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. Topic reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds. So reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In the last video discussed addition reactions. So reactions with ammonia. Okay. Reaction between aldehydes with ammonia are discussed. Okay. In its continuation, today we are going to discuss about reduction reactions. Okay. And oxidations reactions are already discussed in previous classes. In its continuation, today we are going to discuss about reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Generally, reduction of aldehyde gives alcohol. Okay, aldehydes and ketone can be easily reduced to primary and secondary alcohol respectively. Okay, generally oxidation of aldehyde gives alcohol. Oxidation of aldehyde gives carboxylic acid, but reduction of aldehyde gives alcohol. Okay, right. So the most commonly used reducing agent are lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Okay, so this is the hydride. So these two agents are hydride. Most commonly used reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride is the commonly used reducing agent. Okay, aldehyde are reduced to primary alcohol. So generally aldehyde oxidation of aldehyde gives carboxylic acid, but reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohols. Okay, reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohol, reduction of ketone gives secondary alcohol. Okay, example for this oxidation acetaldehyde reduction using lithium aluminum hydride is the reducing agent forms alcohol. So ethanol is formed in this reduction reaction. Okay, in this reduction reactions reactant have 2 carbon, similarly product also 2 carbon. Okay, right. So aldehyde group reduced into hydroxyl functional group. Okay, so ethanol is formed. So ethanol is the primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol or ethanol, primary alcohol. Okay, right. Then next one, example reduction reactions of ketone. Ketone are reduced to secondary alcohol. Equation for this reduction reaction: ketone dimethyl ketone reduction using sodium borohydride reducing agent forms secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is the secondary alcohol. Okay, so generally reduction of ketone gives secondary alcohol, reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohol. Okay, right. So the above reaction can also be carried out with hydrogen in the presence of metal catalyst like platinum, palladium or nickel. Okay, this is the metal catalyst, and the lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride do not reduce isolated carbon double bond and a double bond of benzene ring. Okay, so lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride do not reduce isolated carbon double bond and a double bond of the benzene ring. Okay, so in this situation using hydrogen in the presence of a metal catalyst is okay. In case of alpha, beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketones, lithium aluminum hydride reduces only C double bond O group, so carbonyl group. Okay, so alpha, beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones, lithium aluminum hydride reduce carbonyl group, leaving carbon carbon double bond such. Okay, then next one reaction, reduction to hydrocarbon. So generally aldehydes and keto group on reduction gives hydrocarbon. Okay, the carbonyl group in the carbonyl compounds. So carbonyl compounds is the aldehydes and the ketone. Okay, so the carbonyl group of aldehyde and the ketones can be reduced to methylene group using suitable reducing agent. Use hydrocarbon. So generally carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketone reduced to give hydrocarbon. அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா C double bond O group keto group CHO group aldehyde group இது ரெண்டு குரூப் என்ன மாறுதுன்னு suitable reducing agent யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது மெத்திலின் குரூப்பா மாறுது. C double bond O group வந்து CH2 குரூப்பா மாறுது. CHO group வந்து CH2 குரூப்பா மாறுது. CH2 group is the methylene group. Okay, right? So is a important method for preparation of hydrocarbon. Equation for this reaction. So this is the keto group. Okay, keto group using reducing agent. Okay, suitable reducing agent. So this carbonyl group, keto group reduced into methylene group. Okay, C double bond O group பார்த்தீங்கன்னா CH2 group reduce ஆகுது. Okay, with the removal of water molecules. Then next பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த reduction reactions வந்து எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவா, சூட்டபிள் reducing agent யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது கார்பனல் குரூப் வந்து ஹைட்ரோகார்பன் மெத்திலின் குரூப்பாக கன்வெர்ட் ஆகி ஹைட்ரோகார்பனை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணது இல்லையா, அந்த ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்குறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் ரியாக்ஷன் கிளமென்சன் ரிடக்ஷன். கிளமென்சன் reduction aldehyde and ketones when heated with zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid gives hydrocarbon. Okay, so in this reaction zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid is used for reduction process. Okay, example for this reaction acetaldehyde is heated with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid gives ethylene or ethane. So ethane is the hydrocarbon. Okay, in reactant 2 carbon percent, similarly product also 2 carbon percent. Okay, so aldehyde is reduced into hydrocarbon in the presence of a zinc mercury amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Then another one example, this is the dimethyl ketone. Okay, dimethyl ketone. So reduction of dimethyl ketone in the presence of zinc amalgam and concentrated hydrochloric acid gives hydrocarbon propane. Okay, in this reaction the keto group is reduced into methyl group. Okay, this is the keto group. This group reduced into methylene group. Okay, so propanone on reaction with zinc amalgam in the presence of a concentrated hydrochloric acid, hydrocarbon propane is formed. Then next another one reaction Wolff-Kishner reduction. Okay, Wolff-Kishner reduction aldehydes and ketones when heated with hydrazine NH2 NH2 hydrazine not hydrogen, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide hydrocarbons are formed. Okay, so hydrazine act as a reducing agent and sodium ethoxide act as a catalyst. Okay, so in this reaction sodium ethoxide used and hydrazine used. Okay, hydrogen act as a reducing agent and sodium methoxide as a catalyst. Okay, equation for this reduction reaction: acetaldehyde reduction with hydrogen in the presence of sodium methoxide catalyst. Okay, sodium methoxide catalyst forms hydrocarbon. Okay, ethane is formed, and in this reaction N2 gas and water molecules are formed. Okay, then another one, a reaction dimethyl ketone reduction with a hydrogen in the presence of sodium methoxide catalyst gives a hydrocarbon propane. Okay, in this reduction, Wolff-Keshner reduction, and another one reduction, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Keshner reduction, the formed product are same, but the reducing agent, usual reducing agent is different. In Wolff-Keshner reduction, hydrogen acts as a reducing agent, but in Clemmensen reduction, zinc mercury amalgam used as a reducing agent. Okay, right. But these two reduction hydrocarbons is formed. Okay, aldehydes and ketones is first converted to its hydrazone, which on eating with the strong base gives hydrocarbon. Okay, so first aldehyde is converted into hydrazone, then the hydrazone on eating with strong base gives hydrocarbon. Okay, thank you students, see you next class.